Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Julie phonics lesson. Today we will have x sound. Before we start, let's revise some of the previous sounds. What is it, grade 1? Well done. What about this? Ooh, excellent. Next, what is it? Very good. Yeah, yogurt. And last one, we have here a diphthong with long and short sounds. Ooh, ooh. Very good. Now let's listen to the story. Two boys are playing outside. The boy falls out of a tree and hurts his arm. In the hospital, a nurse takes an X-ray of the arm. The X-ray shows that the boy's arm is broken. The nurse puts a plaster cast on it to help it mend properly.
Taking an X-ray with a special X-ray camera.
Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. X-ray of my hand.
Now let's see together how do we write x sound. As usual, we remind ourselves that we have 4 lines in English. And here we have a picture of a turtle. So this letter sound is a turtle letter. So we write it from line number 2 to line number 3. Let's start. Start from line number 2, down, then again from line number 2, down the other way, down, and again from the top, down the other way opposite, down, down. That's it. Now let's read together some words with x sound. Ox, ox. Tax, tax. Six, six. Hex, hex. Wax, wax. Max, max. Box, box. Fox, fox. Fix, fix. Mix, mix. Axe, axe. Exit, exit. Next we move to segmenting, breaking down the words into sounds. Can you see the first word we have here? It's box. How many sounds do we have in box? B, O, X. So we have 3 sounds in box. Next we have exit. We have X, E, and last one T. So we have 4 sounds in exit. Now my super spellers, are you ready to write any word? Yes, sure. So look at the picture here. We have a picture of a fox. So we have 3 sounds here. Fox, fox. So we start with fo with o, x, fox. Well done. Excellent, grade 1. Now look at the second word. We have here number 6. And here we have 3 sounds. So can you write 6 in letters? 6, 6. Start with s, x, 6. Excellent. Bravo, grade 1. Now, grade 1, we will move to tricky words. Will you be able to read them, or it will trick you? Let's see together. So, this is the first word we have. It is a capital letter. If we wrote the small letter of it, this one, so how do we read it, grade 1? we read it as usual كما تعودنا بالتهجئة. It's E. It's wrong. The tricky witch laughed at me. Oh, who can help me, grade 1? How do we read it? So, in this word, there is a trick. في خدعة في هذه الكلمة. So, what is it? The yellow monster here came to help us. So, the yellow monster tells us that this is I. What is it? I. Very good. So whenever we have the yellow monster, so the sound is I. Well done, grade 1. Excellent. So it's not E, it's I. Say with me, I. Now, number 2, if we try to read it as usual and by sound, let's see how it will be. ب إذا حاولنا نقراها بالطريقة اللي تعودنا عليها صوت it will be ب and يا بي. So, is it correct, grade 1? No, it's not. The tricky witch came to tell us that there is a trick. جاءت هذه الساحرة تخبرنا إن هناك حيلة. So, she said that there is a trick. Let's see, what is the trick? خلونا نشوف إيش الحيلة الموجودة. The yellow monster came and he said that the trick is in this letter. So, the sound of this letter is I. So, I. Buy. What is it? Buy. Excellent. Say with me. Buy. Buy. What is it? Buy. Well done. Let's try number 3. لو رجعنا مرة ثانية نحاول نقراها كالعادة. Let's read it sound by sound. Yeah. May. No, it's not. So the tricky witch came to tell us that there is a trick here. What is the trick, grade 1? Let's ask the monster to help us. نسأل المونستر يساعدنا. We have here the yellow eye monster. So the yellow monster says that the trick is in this letter. So the sound of this letter is I. 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 My. Say with me. My. Excellent, grade 1. Again, my. Very good. So we have 3 tricky words of today. And the yellow monster helps us. And whenever we have it, so the sound is I. So number 1, I. Say with me. I. Number 2, my. Excellent. Say with me. My. Number 3, by. Again, by. So I, my, by. Excellent, grade 1. Bravo. So, grade 1, let's revise the tricky words we have learned till now. The first group with the green monster. So, we have here we, be, me, and he. And the second group of today with the yellow's monster. I, my, by. That's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.